Arthasastra. Exploring the ancient science of economics and governance rooted in the wisdom of the Atharva Veda. Arthasastra, the profound science of economics and governance, finds its origins in the Atharva Veda, an ancient Vedic text. This article delves into the essence of Arthasastra, exploring its historical significance, philosophical foundations, principles of governance, economic wisdom, and enduring relevance as a comprehensive guide to ethical administration and sustainable socio-economic systems. Basic overview. Arthasastra, derived from the Sanskrit words artha, wealth, and sastra, science, is an embodiment of ethical governance and economic wisdom. Rooted in the Atharva Veda, Arthasastra reflects the Vedic understanding of wealth as a means to achieve harmony, welfare, and righteous living within a society. Historical significance and philosophical foundations. The Atharva Veda addresses the various aspects of life, including the well-being of society. Arthasastra takes this understanding further by providing guidelines for the ethical utilization of resources, the equitable distribution of wealth, and the establishment of just governance. The philosophy of Arthasastra aligns with the Atharvavedic principles of balance and social harmony. Principles of governance and ethical leadership. Arthasastra provides insights into the art of governance, emphasizing the importance of ethical leadership. It advocates for the welfare of the people and the protection of their rights. The Atharvavedic ideals of unity and cooperation are mirrored in the Arthasastra's approach to just administration. Economic wisdom and sustainable systems. Arthasastra delves into economic principles that promote prosperity and sustainability. It recognizes the interdependence of various economic factors and the significance of fair trade and commerce. The emphasis on self-sufficiency and equitable distribution echoes the Atharvavedic vision of a balanced society. Social welfare and ethics. Arthasastra goes beyond mere economic considerations to address social welfare. It outlines regulations for maintaining law and order, protecting the vulnerable, and ensuring the overall well-being of the population. These principles align with the Atharvavedic teachings on compassion and empathy. Enduring relevance and modern applications. In the modern context, Arthasastra's wisdom holds relevance in the pursuit of ethical governance and sustainable economic systems. Its principles inform discussions on responsible leadership, equitable wealth distribution, and social justice. The application of Arthasastra extends to fields like political science, public administration, and economics. Conclusion. Arthasastra's connection to the Atharva Veda underscores its enduring significance. By engaging with its teachings, we gain insights into the art of ethical leadership and sustainable economics. Arthasastra's wisdom guides us towards the realization that wealth, when managed ethically and judiciously, can be a powerful tool for fostering social harmony, justice, and collective well-being, a realization that resonates with the timeless principles of the Atharva Veda.